The Bugatti Chiron, a name synonymous with opulence, performance, and automotive artistry. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. A symphony of engineering and design, crafted for the fortunate few who dare to experience the pinnacle of automotive achievement. From the moment the Chiron graces your vision, its presence commands respect. The iconic horseshoe grille, a testament to Bugatti's heritage, sits proudly at the forefront. Its sleek, aerodynamic lines flow effortlessly from nose to tail, hinting at the raw power that lies beneath its sculpted exterior. But the Chiron is much more than just a pretty face. It's a meticulously engineered masterpiece, where every curve, every vent, every detail serves a purpose. It's a testament to the obsessive pursuit of perfection that defines the Bugatti brand. It's a car that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, redefining the very notion of a supercar. The Chiron's exterior is a masterclass in automotive aerodynamics. Every curve, every crease, every air intake has been painstakingly sculpted to cheat the wind and achieve unparalleled performance. The result is a car that looks as if it's in perpetual motion, even when standing still. Take the iconic horseshoe grille, for instance. It's not just a design flourish, it channels air to cool the massive engine lurking behind it. Then there's the active rear wing, which adjusts its angle to provide optimal downforce at high speeds, keeping the Chiron glued to the tarmac. And let's not forget the signature Bugatti C-line, a sweeping curve that defines the car's profile, adding a touch of elegance to its aggressive stance. It's these subtle yet significant details that elevate the Chiron from a mere machine to a work of art. An art form that just happens to be capable of exceeding 260 miles per hour. Step inside the Chiron's cockpit, and you're greeted by a symphony of luxury and technology. Forget Spartan interiors focused purely on performance. The Chiron's cabin is a testament to Bugatti's commitment to providing an unparalleled driving experience. Fine leather, polished aluminum, and exquisite stitching surround you, creating an ambiance of refined opulence. The seats, meticulously crafted for both comfort and support, embrace you like a tailored suit, ensuring you feel as good as the car looks. But the Chiron's interior is far from being all show and no-go. The steering wheel, wrapped in luxurious leather, houses a plethora of controls, allowing you to tailor the car's performance to your liking. The digital instrument cluster provides all the vital information you need, displayed with crystal clarity. Everything is designed to enhance the driving experience, to make you feel at one with the machine. Now let's talk about what makes the Chiron truly special: its heart. Nestled behind the cockpit lies a monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. That's right, 16 cylinders, all working in perfect harmony to produce an astonishing 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 lb-ft of torque. These figures are not just impressive, they're mind-boggling. They catapult the Chiron from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 2.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars on the planet. But the Chiron's performance is not just about brute force. It's about the seamless delivery of power, the way the engine responds to your every command with a ferocious yet refined roar. It's about the precision of the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission snapping through gears with lightning speed. It's about the feeling of being propelled forward by an unstoppable force, a feeling that's both exhilarating and addictive. The Chiron's performance is a testament to Bugatti's engineering prowess, a culmination of decades of experience in pushing the boundaries of automotive technology. It's a car that redefines what's possible, setting new benchmarks in speed, power, and handling. But the Chiron's legacy extends far beyond its impressive statistics. It's a car that captures the imagination, that inspires awe and admiration in equal measure. It's a symbol of automotive excellence, a rolling testament to human ingenuity. For the fortunate few who can call a Chiron their own, it's more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement that speaks volumes about their appreciation for the finer things in life, their desire for the ultimate driving experience. The Bugatti Chiron is a car that transcends its automotive classification. It's a work of art, a technological marvel, a status symbol, and a collector's dream, all rolled into one. It's a car that will forever be etched in the annals of automotive history as a true icon. Owning a Chiron is not just about owning a car, it's about owning a piece of automotive history. It's about experiencing the pinnacle of automotive engineering, the culmination of decades of passion, innovation, and craftsmanship. It's about joining an exclusive club of individuals who appreciate the finer things in life, who demand the best of the best. And that, my friends, is something truly special.